Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Gul Knowledge Hub. Today we are going to give you a very powerful formula, a very powerful trick, I would say. Because if you utilize only 5 minutes daily, you will get fluency over the period of time. Because I have noticed that everyone says that you have to read, you have to write, you have to speak. But despite these all drills, these are very powerful drills. Despite all these exercises and all these drills and joining WhatsApp groups and all these conversations, you are not still fluent, you are not still confident. And you don't know how to join words together. Where is the problem? Why you are not fluent yet? I am going to unearth this reality. This is bitter, harsh reality, but I am going to unearth it for you. Then I will give you a systematic approach, a systematic method that will give you tremendous knowledge. Not only the knowledge of words, but how to utilize those words in proper order and how to be impressive. Because when you just join the words together forcefully, the result is that either you are using those words in the wrong expression, because you are yoking together, forcefully joining them. That's why you are not fluent. The biggest mistake of non-native English speakers is that they learn English words separately. For example, they would learn the word go, then they would learn the word market. Now when they will join together these two words, go market, I go market. Is it correct one? No, it will not sound correct. Because you don't know the formula to join these words together. For example, there should be a proper preposition. For example, there should be to. I go to market, I go to school, I go to bazaar. Now, everywhere you cannot use to. Sometimes you have to use for. For example, I go for a walk, I go for a walk. But when you say I go, then you don't have to use to and for. Simple go. I go home. Now you come across and you get to know that only simple verb go takes various forms of preposition. Sometimes it takes to, sometimes it takes for, and sometimes it doesn't take any preposition. Now, if you know all these words like market, bazaar, I go, but you don't know how to connect, then will you be fluent in English? Certainly not. So, the very powerful formula I am going to illustrate before you to practice 5 minutes on daily basis, and you will see a significant, a tremendous, mind-blowing change in your spoken English, is that chunking formula. Yes, you have heard me right. I have made 2 or 3 videos on chunking formula before, but this is so powerful that I want to make this formula crystal clear before you. And you have to drill, you have to practice every single day, 5 minutes. And you have to use chunks. Now, what is chunk and what is chunking formula? Chunks means a group of words. And now listen very carefully. The difference between native and non-native speakers is that the native speakers go for chunking, go for chunks, go for sounds. They take the words as a group. They do not learn, they do not cram words separately. Rather, they learn, they adopt the words in a group. And what is the difficulty lies with the non-native speakers? That they learn each and every word. There are thousands of words in your mind, but you are unfamiliar how to join them together in a conversation. That's why you feel hesitant. That's why you feel sometimes embarrassed, sometimes frightened, and you just stay silent. And listen, being silent is the worst thing you ever experienced, because speaking becomes, if you want to speak, you have to speak ultimately. So coming back to the topic, we will learn some kind of chunks, and you have to practice some verbal chunks, some adverbial chunks every day. Common chunking formula, chunking words, for example, in nutshell. In nutshell means when you conclude, when you summarize your conversation, you say that in nutshell I want to say this. To summarize my point of view, to conclude my point of view. Now I am giving you 3 chunking, you can say, the group of words. For example, in nutshell, to summarize, to conclude. All these chunking words are just to summarize, to end up your conversation with an emphatic manner. Every listener will get to know that this is the ending point, and we have to be very attentive to what she is saying. Now, there are some other chunking formulas. For example, in my opinion. In my opinion. That is so powerful. So you have to practice this chunking formula every now and then. You can go to ChatGPT, you can go to Google and just write down chunking words, and you will get to know a long list of chunking words, and you have to drill for 5 minutes every single day. For example, if I say I in nutshell, you have to utilize this in a conversation. When you are in a conversation, when you are talking to yourself, when you are talking to your friends, whether you are in a real presentation, you have to utilize this word so that it becomes a part and parcel of your life. Only then you can become fluent in English. Don't learn and don't waste your time and energy by just cramming and learning the words separately. You get to know, you have to know how to join them. And this is the only formula by which you can be fluent in English. So if you like this, and if you want more like chunking words or chunking phrases, chunking verbs or adverbial phrases, you can let me know in comment section, and in the next upcoming video I will discuss in detail. So stay happy, keep learning, keep shining, and keep smiling. Thank you so much.